This is your amp, fellow modders. Hello, fellow humans. Welcome back to Unique Amps. Thanks for joining me. I hope you are safe and healthy wherever you are in the world. Today we will listen to the Kustom 12 gauge loaded with the Celestion greenback, comparing the tone of before and after replacing the operational amplifiers and the clipping diodes. But before we get to that, I'm kind of a metalhead, so I would like to share some video of how this amp currently sounds in a metal setting. After that, we'll get to the comparison, but first, here's my poor attempt at playing the first part of Rational Gaze by Meshuggah. Also, the painting that you see behind me was painted by my father, Koeppel. It's called Watch Out. It was painted, I think, in 1992. And so check out his videos. There's going to be some links in the description. He is Koeppel Arts and excellent artist. Okay, that's enough of that shenanigans.
You mean shenanigans?
Let's take a listen to the Kustom 12 gauge loaded with the Celestion greenback speaker. So first, we'll listen to before the IC modifications, as well as the clipping diodes. So you can see here, I've got the gain is turned up about to 1/3. Volume is at 1/4. The low is at 1/4. Mid is about almost 3/4, and high is half, and no effects. We're just going to listen to the dirty channel to start with. Oh, and by the way, probably would be better to listen using headphones or decent speakers, monitors, and not your cell phone speaker. I think the tone difference is probably going to be subtle and difficult to really notice unless you're using decent audio equipment. I tried to set all of the settings after the modification to be identical to before the modification. The only difference in the second clip is that the gain is turned up to 3/4. Thank you all for watching. I genuinely appreciate it. Until next time, stay safe and happy modding. Moon, look. Moon kitty. Come here. Moon kitty. You want to be on? Clock kitty. I hope to see you again back on Unique Amps. Until then, take care and happy modding. Here then. Okay. Look. Oh.